Hello students, today we will solve an important radical equation. Such questions are frequently asked in TMUA, ISI, CUET and other entrance examination. Now the equation is 1 by root x minus 6 minus 1 by root x plus 6 is equal to 3 by 11. Now we need to find the value of x. Whenever you see repeated square roots, the key idea is substitution. Now let's solve it step by step. Let t is equal to root x. Okay, since square root is non-negative, so we can say t greater than equal to 0. Now the equation becomes what? 1 by t minus 6 minus 1 by t plus 6 is equal to 3 by 11. Now the equation looks much simpler, right? Now take the LCM of t minus 6 and t plus 6. So the LCM of t minus 6 and t plus 6 is t minus 6 into t plus 6. Now combine the fractions. So you will get t plus 6 minus t minus 6 is equal to 3 by 11. Now simplify the numerator. So you will get 12. So the equation becomes 12 by t minus 6 into t plus 6 is equal to 3 by 11. Okay. Now use the difference of squares. Recall the identity first. We know a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. We all know that. So we can write t minus 6 into t plus 6 is equal to t square minus 36. Okay. Now the equation becomes 12 by t square minus 36 is equal to 3 by 11. Okay. Now cross multiplication. So 12 into 11 is equal to 3 into t square minus 36. So 132 is equal to 3t square minus 108. Add 108 to both sides. You will get 240 is equal to 3t square, or t square is equal to what? Root over of 240. Sorry, t square is equal to 240 by 3. Sorry, extremely sorry. You will get 80. So t square is equal to 80. Okay. Now back substitution. We know t is equal to root x. We know that. So t square becomes what? X. Therefore x is equal to 80. Now since t is equal to root 80, which is greater than 0, the solution is valid. Solution valid. Okay. Also check the domain. Denominators should not be 0. So root x not equals to 6. Okay. So our answer x is equal to 0 is 80 is acceptable. Okay. So final answer will be x is equal to 80. Okay. Now whenever you see like 1 by a minus b minus of 1 by a plus b type of question, so the numerator becomes what? Numerator becomes 2b and denominator becomes a square minus b square. Okay, this saves a lot of time. Okay, so that's all for today. I think this solution is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll give the reply to you. So next class we will solve more radical equations with faster tricks. So keep practicing and stay confident. Take care and bye-bye.